Ade munkuma ebio ayise no. Ade kateche no ayise no sabe man no.
Thousands of miles to go and see things in other countries, and we don't even recognize or realize that in our own country is amazing things that other people would like to travel to come and see.
My name is Amachiwa Boateng. I'm here with my colleagues.
I'm Vera Jimmy. I'm Lydia Boateng. We are from Kwenedurase, the Department of Geography and Rural Development. We came as geomorphology students, and as geomorphologists, we came to study landforms and rocks and the processes that create those landforms.
The Nkofieho tourist spot is an ecotourism destination located within the Kwahu Southern Scarp Forest Reserve at Kwahu, Kwenedurase in the eastern region of Ghana. The 5.1 hectare site is blessed with rock features, forest covered with tree species, sources of the Pra River, mountainous landscaping with its amazing aerial view and other natural exhibits, with the caves as its center of attraction. The town Kwenedurase has been known from time immemorial as a center of civilization and culture. Within the Kwahu area, the name Kwenedurase was derived from the Akan sentence "Mereko Kwenedurase," literally meaning "I'm going" or visiting under the Kweneduro tree. Kweneduro is a kind of cedar used in carving heavy drums such as fontonfron, kweneboa, or talking drum and its likes. Before its discovery in the year 2010 as a tourism destination by Nkofieho, a researcher and a family head from the ruling Bretu clan of Kwenedurase. The cave were known as a sacred protectorate for ancient warriors between AD 1800 and 1889.
This is a place where I don't think naturally any rain has ever touched. So when you are here and it's raining or it rains, the rain, doesn't get, to basically about 120 feet high. The temperature as you are going, to the middle keeps on changing till you get to where we call the wish center, where you'll be given the opportunity to offer any prayer of your heart desire.
Ade kateche no ayise no sabe man no eja odi nyansa na ho
And this place travels about 250 to 300 feet, and then it closes up the same way that the top here is closed.
Ebo uni be ayise no ane ayise no ayida sibre ade munko kateche ebo uni be ayise no.
So this is where we call the wish center.
Light up.
Bye.
interesting. And I feel like a experience everybody must, something that everybody must experience. Walk tin find them. And it's like, can you equate in daytime? But why is soon? To me feel something is going on, you know, and it's an experience. It's an experience. I think every Ghanaian must experience it. It's also a sort of exercise, because me full year me say my light. Oba, you feel very refreshed, very relieved. Which means say I may sweat, may pants, just say why your body need to me reduce, wait me a schedule of some of the fat in your body. But to Ghanaians, dear, me catch up and say mumbo modia, because we call South Africa, these are the things you see, and ours is even more unique. It's very unique. You can't even describe it. You have to experience it to know how unique it is. Yeah.
It was really scary, I won't lie. It was a unique experience too. I went there and the place is quite tight and small, and you go there and you feel like, how did God make this wonderful creation over here? It's like he cuts the crock into two and you're just walking through it. And then they told us to pull off our lights and the place was just dark. Very, very, very dark. You can't see anything. Like, it's the blackest you've ever seen. At least even in the night, you can see something. You can't see the person who's standing next to you. And even though it's a bit scary, but I feel exhilarated. I feel good. And they should try and come for it. It's a really good experience. It's not only Kwahu that you come and do the paragliding. I mean, this is a good experience too. I mean, this is something to go and tell my friends and other people. So.
And that form, Yakwaba. I'm say experience a one inside. As will be having young from me peer from our family home. Me chair 1 minute no. I had to say obedi me ashe to krum. By him say cave no mono experience a woman heavy. Ya ye wo sunsun wani no nyama ye hu ye kan kwala no beduane nti yan kan na me ka se when nyina ya de ankrofo fam e maye gi o man ne ma ye ho de a ya ye nam nkran ya ye num so ya to atwene ye didi a ne ato atwene ba bia ye dwunso gu be ye ba ye se dwunso do amen dwunso te afi do amen ne nyama se na bua nipa nti obi a wo hwe me bia wo nkran bo mode na so ba Kwahu cave yi mu bi na be nsa sojafo no omo bre pa nyame nhira omo fa ha omo amu ye omo ewu yeso ya ba ye ko e me depo say ye ko ye nka ha me da mo ase
no experience na me nya no like me through people way akoshe cage mu and coming back in Paibono and everything a whole lifetime adventure into say you are missing a lot. After this you have so much strength and courage and confidence to withstand all challenges.
Just it was not easy to climb it, and it was scary. Yeah, to be inside was scary, and I think it was also marvelous, and it was good to find out there is something like that in Ghana. So I really like it. Yeah.
Oh, Nyankopon ya danase. Maba cave mu ya me ba han manajo. Me ba anaju ana hayesum kane bia ni ha. Eko cave ni mu kobo mpaye. Ya kan tete abakwasa me fa cave ni mu che. We attraction sonko. Bebe ko South Africa ni Kenya eko she cave mu enim se de tie. Nanso ye obi wo Ghana hanam.
Hiking through the caves to discover wonders of nature is an adventure many describe as scary, very challenging, and sometimes seems impossible, but in the end describes themselves as heroes. It's sometimes unforgettable. In fact, one cannot tell you how it feels like to hike through those caves than to experience it yourself. A destination worth visiting.